If you are interested in programming languages, especially in our language, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to talk about 1 hour programming languages with free certificate. It is the free certification courses that is offered by itronix. And the most important thing is that this course will be in Hindi languages. So let's see actually what you learn from this course. You learn the basics of writing code in R, your first step to become a data scientist. So what you learn from these courses, here you can see you'll be able to learn how to install Jupyter Notebook for R programming, Jupyter Notebook introduction, download and install R Studio, what is R and why learning R programming, introduction to R lab programming, operators in R languages, conditional statements in R, for loop, while loop and repeat loop in R, functions in R, R string manipulation function, list in R programming. So what is the requirements to do these courses? No specific prerequisites. You should only know how to use a computer, then it will be enough for you to enroll or to do these courses. So let's see what this course includes here. The total duration of this course is 3 hours 9 minutes 30 seconds. It includes all 12 lessons. You will get your full lifetime access. You can access this course on your mobile and TV, and you will get your free certificate after completing these courses. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click here, get enrolled. Then if you are new here, then they will ask you to sign up, but if you're already signed in, then you can easily enroll this course by clicking here, get enrolled. You'll click get the link of these free courses in the video description, so check it there.